Jill Andrew. Andrew. Ooh, Andrew. Jill Andrew is a Canadian politician who was elected to the Legislative Assembly of Ontario in the 2018 provincial election. She represents the electoral district of Toronto St. Paul's as a member of the Ontario New Democratic Party and was renominated on January 13, 2021 for the 43rd Ontario general election. She is the Ontario NDP culture and women's issues critic and the first Black and queer person to be elected to the Ontario Legislature and reportedly in Canada. She holds a PhD from York University's Faculty of Education and a master's degree in Women and Gender Studies from the University of Toronto New College. Andrew is a public speaker and activist, co-founding the group Body Confidence Canada. She is part of Ontario's first ever Black Caucus, alongside NDP caucus colleagues Laura Mae Lindo, Faisal Hassan, Rima Berns-McGown and Kevin Yarde. Personal life. Andrew identifies as queer. Andrew and her partner Aisha Fairclough, a television producer and diversity consultant, are members of the community consortium that own Glad Day Bookshop. Electoral record. References equals